I'm making bread for my very first time. Woo! This is the bread that we're making. It's also the cover of the book. And it is literally the entire reason I got this book was because that easy bread I got. Okay. And then a half a cup?
Yeah, 3.5. Everybody's finger probably does. Okay.
So 2 teaspoons.
1.
Okay.
Pretty good. And
Yeah.
Maybe try to mix that up with your fork again.
How long does it say to let this sit?
It doesn't.
Do not knead. What is a knead? This looks like when you pour water like on rocks. It says don't knead, so just roll. 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 Cover and let rise at room temperature. But what do I cover it with? What do I cover it with?
Cover and let rise. So yeah, maybe
Step 1 done. Work it. We need to name her. Alexa, what is considered a sassy name? Kind of like Roxy. This is Roxy. Go Roxy. Go Roxy. All right, we're gonna leave her alone. This is our fancy one. Roxy only gets the best. Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour. Okay, we have our 9-inch square. Okay, basically this is what Roxy looks like. That's not wrong. It's not 3 inches. It's more like 6, 7, but that's okay.
And then flip once you get her in there. Yeah, turn dough over.
Go Roxy. Roxy.
Sat for another hour.
Sat for her 2nd hour. Look at she's so big. She's thick too. Oh no. Stay on the bad girl, Roxy. Oh, maybe to get like the air bubbles out?
That makes sense.
And then what do we do?
Fold it.
In the thirds?
Yeah.
Before her first bedtime, this is Roxy. Okay. The official reveal, please be risen. It is Easter, please be risen. Oh my gosh. Go Roxy, go Roxy. Okay, I'm gonna put her back in. Because we have to take her out 2 hours before. Okay. She's out of her confinement, her cold confinement. Look at her, she's big. We like big curvy girls around here. So we're gonna knead. Alexa, can you show me a photo of kneading bread? Okay, let's try and figure out what kneading bread is.
Use the tips of my fingers to kind of fold it in half back towards me, and I just kind of can.
Okay, that's all I needed to know. 6 to 8 times. Maybe I like fold it. She kind of folded it. Place in prepared pan, dust top with the remaining tablespoon of flour. Probably not going to use all of the tablespoons. No. Covering the sides so when it expands it doesn't stick. Dusted! Now we are going to cover her and let her sit for 1 hour and a fourth. Before... Okay, this is after about 1 hour. She's a little soupy. I don't know if that's normal. Anyways, we're gonna score her. We're gonna chop her up. This is it. It's going in. We're gonna see what it looks like.
Not bad.
It's still really tasty.
Doing it in reverse, but kind of good.
Okay, this is Roxy. Hold on, I'm showing her to the camera. Please be cooked.
Holy.
Oh! I made that!
You did that.
Oh! I made bread, bro! My next thing I really want to do is get into like fresh juices, like fresh orange juice.
Oh shit, those springs? What is that?
It's a state park.